Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to solve another problem on helical compression spring. Let us start with today's session. Problem number 4. A railway wagon weighing 50 kilonewton and moving with a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. It has to be stopped by 4 buffer springs in which the maximum compression allowed is 220 millimeter. Find the number of coils. The spring mean diameter is 150 millimeter. The spring wire dia is 25 millimeter. Take G is equal to 84 gigapascal and also find the shear stress. Next, note on the data. First one, a railway wagon weighing 50 kilonewton, where W is given 50 kilonewton, converted into Newton 15 to 10 power 3. Moving with a speed of 8 kilometer per hour means 8 kilometer per hour is given. I want millimeter per second. How to convert? Where 8 kilo means 1000, meter means 1000. Okay, divided by meter into millimeter, where 1000 divided by hour. Hour is converted into seconds. 3600 seconds is called hour. Where meter per second where 2 to 2222.22 millimeter per second. Next, it has to be stopped by 4 buffer spring. This is a railway track. This is a railway box. It consists of a 4 springs, 4 buffer springs, where n is given 4 springs. Where n is given 4 springs. Next, in which the maximum compression allowed is 220 millimeter, where y is given y equals to 220 millimeter. Next, find the number of coils. To find out I, where I find out the spring mean diameter is 150 and spring wire diameter is 25 millimeter, where capital D is given 150, small d is 25 millimeter. Next, take G is equal to 84 gigapascal. G is equal to 84 into 10 power 3 megapascal, and also find the shear stress. To find last one, shear stress to find out. Next, to find the kinetic energy of buffer springs, 4 buffer springs. Kinetic energy, Ke, kinetic energy equals to formula half into mv square. Half into mv square. What is half? 0.5 into m means mass is equal to weight by gravity. Okay, where v is equal to v square. 0.5 into what is weight for 50 kilonewton, 50 into 10 power 3 divided by, for gravity 9.81 9810. I have to write down 9810 millimeter Newton per meter, where velocity to 2222.22 square. Kinetic energy is equal to 12584,790 Newton per Newton meter millimeter. This is the total kinetic energy of 4 springs. Next, we find out each spring kinetic energy of each spring. Kinetic energy of each spring. How to find out? Where kinetic energy each spring, how to find out? Where total kinetic energy divided by total number of spring is 1 2 3 4 4 spring, 4 buffer springs, 4, where total kinetic energy 12584,790 divided by 4. Our answer is 3146197.5 Newton millimeter for each spring. Next, also find the forces. How to find? Where kinetic energy of each spring equals to half into F into Y. Total kinetic energy of each spring is, this is 3146197.5 equals to half means 0.5, where F I don't know F, I want F into Y. Y is given 220 millimeter, where F equals to 28601.8 Newton. Force on each spring. So next, to um, find out the number of coils, I to find out number of coils. Deflection formula, Y equals to 8F d cube into I divided by d to the power of 4 into G. Equation number in data book 20.32. Okay, substitute all the datas in this formula, where I is equal to 9.35. Approximately I equals to 10 numbers, standard value 10 numbers. Next, we find out tau to find out shear stress. Okay, last one, I is always found. Find out the number of coils is done. Next, also find the shear stress tau. Formula for tau shear stress 8 FDK divided by pi into d cube. Okay, equation number in data book 20.22. I know all the data, I don't know K. How to find out K? Where 4C minus 1 divided by 4C. This is equation number 20.23. I don't know C, spring index, where C is equal to D by D ratio. D is given 150 divided by small d 25, where C is equal to 6. Substitute 6, where K is equal to, where substitute in the place of C. Okay, where K equals to 1.2525. Substituting K value on this formula, where tau equals to 8 into F 50 kilonewton into, where F not 50, this 28601 into 150 capital D to 1.2525 divided by pi into 25 cube. Tau equals to 875.75. To find out shear stress, Newton per millimeter square or megapascal. So this is the complete design of helical spring. This is a type of another problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment on this video. Thank you.